Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your video for TikTok in your CapCut application. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your CapCut application. Right now select new project and you just need to select your video. I select this one, then edit. So right now if you just play this video, here you can see this video is not perfect for TikTok. This video is not for TikTok size. And how can you resize this video for TikTok? So first of all, on the bottom you can find the option aspect ratio. Here you can see, just select this, and then there have a option TikTok icon. You can see, just select it. So here you can see right now this video is perfect for TikTok. So right now you can edit your video, then you can easily upload it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.